Hi sunshine, welcome back to Yoga with RAMONI. Let's start standing up on our yoga mat and take a deep breath. Begin to take some shoulder circles to the back. And now to the front. And now just twist your body back and forth as you swing your arms. And now come back to center and let's just take some circles with your hands and your wrist. Relax your arms down. Lower your right ear to your right shoulder, placing your right hand on top of your head and reaching your left arm out to the side. Switch sides. Come back to center and relax your arms. Mountain pose, reach your arms up overhead. Grab your left wrist and lean over to the right for a side body stretch. Back to mountain pose. Grab your right wrist and lean over to the left. Back to mountain pose. Open arm twist to the right, send your right arm behind you, left arm reaches forward. Mountain pose. Open arm twist to the left. Back to mountain pose. Micro back bend, cactus your arms open and drop your head back. Mountain pose. Forward fold. Relax your upper body. Halfway lift, hands to shins. Forward fold. Back to your mountain pose. Side body stretch to the right. Mountain pose. Side body stretch to the left. Mountain pose. Open arm twist to the right. Mountain pose. Open arm twist to the left. Mountain pose. Micro back bend. Mountain pose. Forward fold. From your forward fold, let's open our legs a little bit wider and bend your right knee. Switch legs, bending the left knee this time. Back to the right. And the left. And now let's close our legs together. Bend your knees and grab behind your heels, your ankles, or your calves. And try to pull your face towards your legs as you try to straighten your legs. Remember, it doesn't matter how deep you go. Do what works best for you. Let's come back to mountain pose, reaching all the way up. Hands come to heart center. Take a deep breath. Now let's open our legs hip-width distance apart, reaching the arms forward, collarbone level. Chair pose, sit your hips back. Your weight is in your heels. Make sure you can see your toes. Sit back a little bit more, lean the upper body back a little bit, and stand up. Now lift the heels coming up high on the tippy toes. You can stay here or you can come back into that chair by bending the knees. You might wobble a little bit. We are just practicing some balance. You can do this. And we slowly stand up and lower the heels. Drop the arms. Maybe you swing them a few times. Let's do that again. You already know what to expect. Reach the arms forward for chair pose as you sit your hips back. And we stand. Lift the heels and bend the knees, coming back into that chair. Find something to focus on. And we stand up, lowering the heels. Reach your arms up, forward fold. Slowly roll up to standing. Your head is the last thing to come up. Hands come to heart center for a deep breath. Let's face the long side of our mat, opening our legs. Reach your arms up overhead. Your hands are touching and you cross your thumbs, so it's a prayer position. Turn towards the right so that your right foot is forward. Your back foot is facing the corner. Tuck your chin as you roll forward into your standing separate forehead to knee pose. You can separate your hands so that you can balance a little bit more. And if you need to bend your right knee to bring that forehead to the knee, you can always do that. Bring your hands back into your prayer position and we come back up to standing. And now let's turn to the left. Tuck your chin and you roll forward into your pose. Remember, you can separate your hands and you can bend your front leg. Bring your hands back to prayer as you slowly come up. Face the long side of your mat and lower your arms down. Let's open our legs a little bit wider this time for Warrior 2. Bend your right knee and straighten that left leg, and your arms are in a T position. Looking over your right hand, extended side angle, tick-tock your arms so that your left arm is up and your right arm is down and you are looking up. I know that was a lot to think about, but you can do it. Back to Warrior 2. Straighten that front leg and let's go to the left side. Extended side angle. Back to warrior two. Straighten the legs. And let's turn so we can face the front of our mat, bringing our hands to heart center. Take a big inhale in through your nose and out through your mouth. You made it to the end, so don't forget to leave a sun emoji in the comments to check in. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more classes, and I will see you in the next one.